Is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. I'm inside the camper canopy, whatever the fuck this shit is. I still don't know what it's called. So today we're going to be replacing the headlights and the tail lights for the Chevy, because if you guys seen the first video how ugly and old they are, how oxidized they are, and it just does not look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the grill off from the front and yeah, just to replace the headlights and the tail lights. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys think, and subscribe. Peace.
There you
7mm bolts.
record this.
These little bolts. I'm gonna take them off. Is it?
Oregon state residents, if you have a you can.
I like to be anything you want. Hey girl. What?
I'm just taking off the corner lights real quick. I already did the other side, and headlights are on. These right here, they screw onto the grill, so I'll put that on next. That's the old headlights, and yeah, I'm gonna just finish this up, put everything back together, and do the tail lights next. And yeah, I'll be back. Corner lights are all done. This is all the fucking dirt that was in there. That looked dirty. I think the orange would still look good, but you know, since these are new, I'm gonna just leave them on. This is how they look. Bro, I can't wait to build this thing nice, bro. Just wait till I clean the interior. I really want to do the all reds. Like, I don't care, all red. It's gonna look hella sick. I don't know how much money I'm gonna put in this thing, but that looks sick, dude. Looks good. All right, let me just put the grill on and then put those bottom lights on. And yeah, I'll put the LEDs on later on because I forgot them at home. So yeah, peace. So I accidentally broke the freaking light bulb over there. That would be the directional for the right. My dumbass put the fucking grill on top of it, and look what happened. So I need to get a new light bulb. How the fuck did this even come off? Damn, I have no idea. Well, I'll get one tomorrow, but I'm already done with this side. This is what it's looking like. Way better than this fucking oxidized ass light. I'm gonna just put that on real quick and be done with the front, and then I'm gonna go ahead, go with the back. So this is the back. These are the tail lights. Honestly, if it was mine completely, I would have went with red tail lights instead of black. Well, those were supposed to be black. My dad wanted smoked tail lights and headlights, but I tried to kind of get in there as well, and I found a set with the clear headlights because he wanted black. I just don't think it would look good black, or smoked, I'd say. And he wanted the smoked taillights, and these are not smoked. I accidentally messed up. I thought they were smoked because they look black, but it's actually just the inside that's black. It's actually clear. So when he opened them, he was kind of disappointed. So, but yeah, it is what it is. If it was mine, I'd go with red taillights. It just looks way cleaner. These are just really old, so yeah. And he also wanted the LED dots or whatever the fuck that is, so I just went with those. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put that on real quick, and I'm done with the front. All right, so there it is. Finished look. I need to get this freaking whole truck repainted, bro. But yeah, look at this. What y'all think? It's way better than the ugly oxidized ones. Since I forgot the LEDs that I got, I had to freaking take the whole grill off again. But this is what it's gonna look like. White, way better. Who wants yellow these days? Come on now. So yeah, I'm gonna just finish this up and then I'm gonna be done with the front. And hopefully we could put on the rears. But my dad said he doesn't like how they look, so I might return these headlights and tail lights and get the smoked ones, the ones he wanted. Oh, todo así.
Ya. Pues no es porque
¿No las dejé? Ahí están. Yeah. Alright, so this is the result. My dad gave it a wash and for some reason they already got fogged up, stuck. Except for this one over here. And I am not feeling the clear lights at all, bro. This looks so fucking ugly. I just went with these because I thought those were tinted, not the front version, you know, clear. So I was like, all right, it's got my taste and his taste. He wants smoked, I want clear. It just looks weird. And this shit really has to come off. This is so fucking ugly, bro. I tried posting it up for sale on Marketplace on Facebook, but everybody was like, yo, would you sell the truck? How much for the truck? People thought I was selling the truck. I posted this shit up for $600. I don't even know what it's worth. I was gonna let it go for like $100 if they offered, but no one offered me anything. Not many people have side steps, so yeah, it's hard to sell. Yeah, what do you guys think? Comment down below. Personally, it's ugly from the back. I hate the clear tail lights. I really want it red, but my dad doesn't want red. He wants smoked. This whole truck is gonna be fucking murdered out black. I'm gonna tint the windows 5%. I was looking into some side mirrors. I'll pop up a picture of the side mirrors I'm talking about. But yeah, possibly this is just gonna be completely murdered out black. I'll keep the rims chrome. I don't plan on swapping out the rims just because it looks fucking aggressive as shit. Looks like a drag car or some shit. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it for this video. So see you guys on the next one. Peace. Man, I was literally about to take this shit home, but it doesn't fucking start now. Like, what the fuck? We changed the distributor. We changed the fucking fuel pump, spark plugs, and this shit, I literally turn it on. I drive it for a whole day. Literally, yesterday I drove this shit for a whole day. Fucking downtown, on the freeway, everywhere. I fucking changed the tail lights and the headlights, and then I park it right there because I changed some cars oil. I park it right fucking there, and then right when I'm about to leave, the shit does not start. What the fuck? Piece of shit, bro. Piece of shit box. Oh my god. Shit boxes. I always get old ass cars. Alright, bye guys.
Claro que se amerita